This is LeetCode take gifts from the richest pile, and in this question we're given an integer array gifts, and we have to return the number of gifts remaining after k seconds after we do some algorithm. The algorithm that we do is choose the pile with the maximum number of gifts and leave behind the floor of the square root of the number of gifts in that pile. So for example, we have this gifts array here and we have k equals 4. So we do the algorithm 4 times. We first choose the maximum here, which is 100, square root it, take the floor, then we do the same again. This becomes 8, this becomes 5, and then we do it again on this one, which would be 10, square rooted, floored, which is 3, and then we eventually get the output of 29. So in terms of code, we have to do the loop k times, so we're going to do for I in range k, and we need to get the index of the maximum in our gifts array. So we do max index is equal to gifts index of the maximum value of gifts. That'll return the index of the first maximum in the array, because there could theoretically be the same maximum multiple times. Then we have to update that value to be equal to math.floor math.square root of itself. And we have to import math at the top here so we can actually use it. And at the very end, we just return an integer of sum of gifts. And that's it. And it says we got an answer faster than 100% of Python online submissions, although I think that's because there aren't that many submissions yet. One way you can actually make this algorithm even faster is to use NumPy to get the maximum. So if you found that helpful, please give a like and a subscribe because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you next time.